How to change age on Cash App. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To begin with, you can tap open your Cash App application in your mobile device. Make sure to sign in into your Cash App account. As for now, since there is no direct method to change the age, we need to navigate to the support option of our Cash App. In order to do so, tap on the person icon at the bottom of your dashboard, head over to your account, and click on the support option. You will find various of options regarding the support section. Tap on the button of Start a Chat. If you cannot find the option, you can tap on something else, after which you should find the option of Start a Chat. Then, an agent or a bot will reach out to you. In this message box, you need to type in why you actually want to change your age and what age do you actually want to be changed into. If the reason that you provide is valid, you'll be able to easily change your Cash App age. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.